a mark in the South Indian film industry as well. So please join me in giving a grand welcome to our very special guest. So as I start explaining about the journey of the HSW dignitaries as well, and we also have a very beautiful Pranita Subhashna here, and we will now do the unveiling of this particular event. 3, 2, 1, come on, we have the very special Turbo 1.5 launch machine that we launched at this beautiful moment by an incredible 1500 RPM. It is designed for speed production. Our dignitaries and MD Kapil sir has made this beautiful unveiling of the Turbo 1.5 extra 1.5. But Jola Chapale and the dignitaries here are few of the machine launching again. Now, HSW embroidery machine. As you can see, the Ultra model has also been launched. Businesses for many women out there. The most reliable, the most powerful, proven, and the robust machine that is we will be launching, and you're only waiting for it. On the count of. Can we start? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Brilliant! A good round of applause as our chief guest and the AD Kapil has done the unveiling of the HSW newer model, and this is a very special model. In fact, a very common one, a commonly proven one as well. Thank you so much for doing this.
जो आज हमारे कहने से स्पेशली ये इवेंट पे आए, इनके पास सही में
As we have 4 people in this particular list, but on the Jola Chapale right, we're presenting this particular award as they are the dealer who has sold 50 plus machines in the year 2025 to 2026. ನವಾಡಿ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಅವರು ಇಡೀ ಕುಟುಂಬನೇ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂ ಎಂಬ್ರಾಯ್ಡರಿ ಮಷಿನರಿ ಬಲಿ ಒಂದು ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ.
Kushiku Namaskara, and since a lot of people are there from Tamil Nadu and Andhra as well, Andarki Namaskaram, Ellarkum Vanakam, very happy to be here. It's an honor to be associated with HSW Embroidery Machines. As a company, they're not just doing a business, but they're also empowering the entire country because they're empowering the women of the country, and that's what's really important. How many entrepreneurs here? Of course, all of you are entrepreneurs. That is what makes India so vibrant, and makes every business click here, because women here have that urge to do businesses. And I was just talking to Tapan Kapadia sir just now, and he just gave me some insight, especially during COVID. I hear that so many women, when their husbands lost their jobs, they used these sewing machines, these embroidery machines, and did businesses, and they took care of companies, and they took care of their families. And I think that really touched my heart, because that is so beautiful to hear. And hats off to all those women who have really stood on their feet and supported their families during tough times, during COVID. And it's really a privilege to be here to support these women, and to be felicitating all the dealers as well. And I heard that at all the machines, they're used for various, whether it's fashion garments, whether it's uniforms, they're everywhere and they can be used to support so many businesses. And these are the real heroes, because in front we see the fashion brand or the garment brand, but what goes behind it are these machines which people are using to make these garments. And I think that is what is really important, the unsung heroes. So today's event is not just a business event, it's an event where we're felicitating these women heroes, the ones who are using these machines to support their families and to come out as emerging entrepreneurs. And before I conclude, I really want to have everyone give a big round of applause to Tapan Kapadia sir and ma'am. They've done a wonderful job, and may you continue to empower women this way, and may you continue to grow as a company as well. Thank you.
Thank you, madam, for a very special moment for us, for having you here, ma'am. Thank you so much for taking out your time.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಇವತ್ತು HSW ಎಂಬ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ರಿ ಮಷೀನ್ಸ್ ಅವರ ಹೊಸ ಮಷೀನ್ಸ್ ಲಾಂಚ್ಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. and ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ನ್ಯೂ ಮಷೀನ್ಸ್ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಿಯೋ, ಅಲ್ಟ್ರಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಬೋ ಅಂತ 3 ಮಷೀನ್, ಸೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಮಷೀನ್ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಎಂಬ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ರಿ ಮಷೀನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ನಿಯೋ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅಫೋರ್ಡಬಲ್. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಒಂದು ಸೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಎಂಬ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ರಿ ಮಷೀನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಟ್ರಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಬೋ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸ್ಟೋರೀಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ಪಟ್ಟೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಒಂದು ವಿಮೆನ್, ಒಂದು ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಎಂಪವರ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಒಂದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಎಂಬ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ರಿ ಕಲಿತು ಅವ್ರದ್ದೇ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರದ್ದೇ ಫ್ಯಾಮ್ಲಿನ ಅವ್ರ ಕಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ವಿಷಯ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಊರುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾನಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿರುವ ಕಂಪನಿ ಇದು. ಇವತ್ತು ಸೌತಲ್ಲಿ ಈ 3 ಮಷೀನ್ಸ್ನ ನಾವು ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಾಗೆ ನಾವು ಕತೆಗಳನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾಯಿದ್ವಿ. ಯಾವುದೋ ಮನೇಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದವರು ಈ ಮಷಿನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಎಂಬ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ರಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಇವತ್ತು ಅವರೇ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಕೆಲಸದವ್ರನ್ನ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಷ್ಟು ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಆಗುವಷ್ಟು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಂಥ ಕತೆಗಳನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಥವಾ ಗಂಡನ ಕೆಲಸ ಹೋದಾಗ ಅವ್ರ ವೈಫ್ ಈ ಮಷೀನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರ ಫ್ಯಾಮ್ಲಿನ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ ಕತೆ ಆಗಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ತುಂಬಾ ಒಂದು ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಟಚಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೋರೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಂಗೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಂಪನಿ ಗ್ರೋ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತೀನಿ.
ಮನೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸಮಾಜನ ಗಟ್ಟಿಗೊಳಿಸಲು ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಣ್ಣಿನ ಪಾತ್ರ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾ?
ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ. ಮನೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸಮಾಜನ ಗಟ್ಟಿಗೊಳಿಸೋ ಒಂದು ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳ ಪಾತ್ರ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶನೇ ಅಂತಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಮನೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಎಂಪವರ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಎಂಬ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ರಿ ಮಷೀನ್ಸ್ಗಳಾಗಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Actually, today we have launched 3 machines. The first one is HSW Turbo 1.5. This machine is made with a very precision, and this machine is for the people who already into a business but they want to expand their business and want to make more, the growth in a very cumulative way. So this is the first 1500 RPM machine of India in single head embroidery machine. Second machine which we have launched is HSW Ultra. It's an upgraded version of most popular series of 5G, which had empowered more than 2,000 or 3,000 ladies with just the 5G machines. And it has created a revolution in the HSW, like in the single hand embroidery machines. So this is upgraded version. And in these 2 machines, the customer will get 5 years limited electronic warranty. So that's the best part of the machine, and it is a more stronger, more stable and most productive giving machine. The Neo is the basic model. It is for everyone. Like it's an affordable machine which like someone wants to start or someone wants to experiment the business, they can start with the Neo machines. And I am very thankful to Pranita ji that they have came here and they have made our launch a memorable moment. And I thank to all my customers who are a part of HSW embroidery machine. If they are not there, then we can't reach over here. So I'm very much thankful to all my customers and my HSW family, especially my wife. The support of her was very. I don't have a word to say about her, because she has seen my sleepless night. She has seen my eagerness, my what do you say,
Everything.
temperament. Because sometimes nothing happens, then all the things comes to her. So I am very much thankful to her and my lovely parents. They have always supported me.
Your good name, sir.
Tapan Kapadia.
Distribution, sir.